guys, so we just wrapped up finishing a review.
Instax tutorial. So
the Instax Wide 300 with the Instax Mini 8. Keep your eye open for that.
Be sure to check that out when it drops.
Basically what we used, we did a lot of macro shots with this 100mm 2.8 lens with a Metabones adapter because we shoot Sony. And then these are just some examples we used when talking about some photos. It's gonna be a pretty cool video, huh?
It's pretty good. Let's keep it moving, guys. So other than saving birds, this is what dreams are made of. Today we're gonna go get tacos because it's, what day of the week is it, Ashley?
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. When we're, you already know the deal. Hey, she didn't want to be in the vlog. So if you look at this parking job right here, I swear I'm a good driver. It's just that when I came back from the gym, there was snow all over the ground, so I didn't know where the spot was. So it melted, and now it's revealing my insufficiencies.
Yikes, Truman. Oh, the mountains look really cool. See the clouds? The almighty Don Chewies.
So legend has it that in those Red Bull trucks, in the actual can, there's thousands of Red Bulls just smashed in there, you know, like perfectly. So it's like the company secret. So if you see one, you can break into it and get them all out. They actually want people to do that. That's why they park them around places. So about to have a feast out here.
It's pretty good, huh? What'd you get?
It's a hit. 3 carne asada street tacos with beans, chips, all the assortment of sauces. And listen, I ordered after Mike and I got mine before him.
Where that dough?
Where it at? So yeah, just have the wire hit tomorrow and it should be good. But yeah. Oh, and see you guys over there. Just doing business deals, you know, entrepreneurs. But yeah, we didn't really do that much today, but we're gonna keep it real with you. We're just gonna make it a quick and easy vlog, you know, not fluff it up or anything. So yeah, today was pretty chill. We got tacos. I saved a bird, so I'm expecting my Nobel Peace Prize in the mail any day now.
This guy Truman, he's always like this.
If you like the video, subscribe for more videos because there's a lot of, we know we don't get a lot of views on these videos yet, but if you're watching this in, let's say 2019, and we got mad subscribers, just join the movement.
It's more than a YouTube channel.